welcome back to the channel's guy, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and for today we are going to replace the battery for this 2003 GMC Envoy. So join me today guys, and we are going to replace the battery for this car. So guys, before we start, please support this channel by not skipping ads. Give us a subscribe and a like, and I promise you guys to bring you at least 2 car repair videos for every single car that I will be bringing here in my garage. Actually, I'm outside right now anyway, but this is like a very simple repair guys. So basically they're just like only one. Oh, ano yun muna?
Kaya ko bitawan to kasi bigay ito ng kailangan mo gumamit nito. 2003 yung mileage nito nung nakuha. 58,000 lang yata.
Ito.
O ngayon nasa 102,000 na, 100. Pero 2000 ano, 2003.
Okay.
O, di ba mababa? Sabi ko, kung iti-trade in ko to,
Oo, huwag mo nang i-ano ito.
may problema pa ako sa monthly, sa kung ano-anong...
Di ba yung isa sa kanyo, brand nyo yun?
Yung isa?
Oo.
Bili namin bago din, pero luma na to, 2013 ba yun? 2012.
Oh, yun.
Luma na din.
Luma-luma na rin.
Yung asawa ko nag-drive bago kasi. Hindi siya marunong mag-drive ng standard.
Ay, may standard ka dati? Anong sakyan?
Honda Civic, 2001.
Diba? Okay, mahilig ka rin pala sa ano.
Oo.
Mahilig ka rin pala sa...
Mga brand new yun. Hindi ko akalain, magkakatatlong anak ako, liliit pa. Lalagyan ko ng dalawang car seat. Tapos may sa gitna pa. Sabi ko, hindi kaya kakasya dito.
Mahirap pag 2 doors.
Oo.
Pang ano lang yun, pang binata.
Buti nga naawa sa akin yung magulang.
May pamilya ka na.
Hindi na ako, gusto ko bumili ng bago.
Yun na, napagkabi yun.
Oo, sabi niya, kunin mo na lang to. Oh, ito nga, interstate ka. Yung battery store doon.
Renfrew?
Oo, sa Renfrew. Diyan lang sa corner ng Renfrew, tsaka Broadway ba yun? Battery store.
Alright guys, sorry about that. The customer was was here, so it's so hard for me to explain what am I doing. So right now I'm be removing this. This is for the support, and I'm using 13mm socket. And again guys, I'm using my cordless M12 Milwaukee. So that's the nut, and let's remove this. You know guys, we can remove the battery. So now let's put the new one. So guys, we are putting AC Delco battery from Lordco. So it's a brand new one. So let's put it back. Alright, let's put back the support. Yikes. Other way. Nice. And then this plastic cover before that, remove this. Cover. Uh, oh boy. All right. Now let's put back this plastic cover. All right. And ha?
Saan ko lalagay ito?
Yung
Yung battery. Saan ba pwedeng i-ano to?
saan mo ba inano? Bigyan mo na sa akin, ano mo lang ako dyan. Ilagay ko sa garahe.
Oh.
Pag gusto nila. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mong i-keep.
Ano, ka na magbala dito.
Ako na bahala. Ako na bahala pag ano dyan. Okay.
Hindi na ba okay mag-reload ng battery dito?
Yung sa ibang shop, mayroon silang deposit na $20 pero yung iba hindi. Try mo nga tol. First start. There you go. That's it. That's how you replace